Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the Wealthsimple app. So let's get started. So here I will just use here Google, but you can use your Apple Store or Play Store to download it. Just click on here and I will just search for here as Simple app. So at here we can see the Wealthsimple app, Grow Your Money. Just click on here. After that, here we'll just open it and you can just open to more info. So it is not available in my country, but it's available in your country. Then you have to just click on install button and you can install it from here. Okay, and that's done. So you can just read the reviews scrolling down, and you can, if you want to contact, you can contact with the developer by here in the app support. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.